Papa John's Pizza. How can I help you?
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
My 20? My 20 is a 59 dime.
I do want to fuck you. My butt is really tight, though.
Say again?
I do want to fuck you. All I want is you to fuck me.
Oh, absolutely. You out to foursome or fivesome?
If you fuck like you talk, you ain't going to be worth a shit.
Ah, you have no idea.
I am somebody you can trust.
Well, do you like girls or guys?
I'll fuck you. I want to fuck with you, and I want to fuck you.
Hey, hooker. Hello?
Are you getting off on that?
Who is this?
Good evening. What do you mean, who am I?
Who are you?
You're a cop?
What?
Oh, my God. I like to fuck cops.
I'm not a cop.
You want to speak to the drug dealer of the house?
You want to fuck?
Hello?
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
My 20? Where are we at? Cherry Street. I'm on Cherry Street.
I'll fuck you. Oh, fuck you. No, I want you to fuck me.
Really?
I do want to fuck you. All I want is you to fuck me.
No shit. Well, come on down.
My butt is really tight, though. I'd fuck you all night long if you could go that far. Could you bend me over? I kind of like it in the ass.
All right. Well, if it's going to be an issue, you should come on down and, it's comforting.
You're a cop? Oh, my God. I like to fuck cops.
All right. Well.
And how big are you?
Well,
If you fuck like you talk, you ain't going to be worth a shit.
oh, I'm definitely not a police officer.
You're jacking off to anybody that'll listen to you?
Hello?
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
Well, my 20?
And how big are you?
Well, not very, actually.
You ain't got what it takes to fuck me, bitch.
Well, I mean, I might have what it takes. It depends on what it takes.
I'll fuck you. My butt is really tight, though. And after you give it to me in the ass, I'll give you a blowjob.
Holy shit. Well, my wife may have an issue with it, but, this is a payphone.
All I want is you to fuck me.
I tell you what, I bet you I could find someone here that would be more than happy to. Probably someone that's bigger than me.
Sure?
All right. Can you hold on just 1 second?
Sure?
Oh, how old are you?
I'm good. How are you?
No, I said, how old are you?
I do want to fuck you.
Rough idea. I mean, you're under 40, right?
Sure?
It didn't sound very convincing.
Negative.
You're over 40?
No comprendo. Negative.
There's some over 40, all right? I'm not going to knock on you just because you're over 40 if you...
Negative.
Negative, you aren't over 40?
Negative.
Okay.
Pizza Hut.
What's your 20, honey? And how big are you?
6.5 inches.
All I want is you to fuck me. I do want to fuck you. I'll fuck you.
Come here.
I like hardcore, rough sex. My butt is really tight, though. I like slow and easy sex.
Hello?
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
Who are you looking for?
I'll fuck you. Oh, fuck you. No, I want you to fuck me.
Hello.
Good evening. What's your 20, honey? And how big are you?
Dude.
All I want is you to fuck me.
Is that right? Where are you calling from?
Oh, fuck you. No, I want you to fuck me.
Where are you calling from? You saw me walking by. Where are you at?
I would. I'd fuck you all night long if you could go that far.
Yeah, I probably can't.
If you fuck like you talk, you ain't going to be worth a shit.
Hello?
I love disciplined. All I want is you to fuck me.
What?
I do belong to you. I will be your woman.
You'll be my woman?
If you fuck like you talk, you ain't gonna be worth a shit.
I definitely will.
I do want to fuck you. Are you
I
getting off
want
on
to fuck
that?
you too.
Could you bend me over? I kind of like it in the ass.
I would like to give it in the ass.
You're jacking off to anybody that'll listen to you?
To you, babe?
And how big are you?
12 inches.
Oh, you're funny. You're recording me.
I am not recording you.
I would rather that you fucked me than to burn up my cell phone minutes.
Let's do it. Where are you?
What do you mean, who am I?
I said, where are you?
What's your 20, honey?
My what?
I'm going to help you. I'll trust you.
Where are you, babe?
Some kind of funky-ass fucking phone system you got going on there.
What?
You got nothing better to fucking do, dude?
Nope.
You ain't got what it takes to fuck me, bitch.
Oh, yeah, I do.
I want to fuck with you, and I want to fuck you.
Right now?
How does it feel?
What?
I would. I'd fuck you all night long if you could go that far.
Oh, trust me, I can. I'm full of it.
Oh, my God. I like to fuck cops. You're a cop?
Yeah. We can do it in the cop car. Have you ever done it in the cop car before?
You want to speak to the drug dealer of the house?
Yes. If he can get me some.
No deal. I like hardcore, rough sex.
So do I, babe.
And after you give it to me in the ass, I'll give you a blowjob.
I'd love it, babe.
I am out
I'm
of my
getting
mind.
so hard right now.
Are you getting off on that?
Oh, my God, yes.
I like slow and easy sex.
No, you don't.
Excuse me?
No, you don't.
You ain't got what it takes to fuck me, bitch.
Hell yeah, I do.
Negative.
Hello?
Oh, fuck you. No, I want you to fuck me.
You want to get fucked?
I do want to fuck you.
Yeah, I want to fuck you too.
Oh, fuck you. No, I want you to fuck me.
You gonna fuck me?
You're a cop?
Hey, fuck you fucking whore.
If you
I'm about to
fuck
slay
like
your
you
pussy
talk,
wide
you ain't
open,
gonna
you
be worth a
fucking
shit.
prostitute.
If you fuck like you talk, you ain't going to be worth a shit.
Excuse me. Hello?
All I want is you to fuck
Hello?
me. Oh, fuck you. No,
Hello?
I want you to fuck me.
Hello?
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
Whoa.
I do want to
Who
fuck
is
you.
this?
What do you mean, who am I?
Who is this?
I'll fuck you.
Is this
fuck
Johnny?
You. No, I want you to fuck me.
Fuck you.
I want to fuck with you, and I want to fuck you.
Hello?
And after you give it to me in the ass, I'll give you a blowjob.
What's that?
All I want is you to fuck me.
Hey! Go down and fuck her in the ass and give me a blowjob. Oh, you, man.
Did you say you want him to fuck you in the ass?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Good evening. What's your 20, honey?
Shit, the 20 is on the 30.
I do want to fuck you. All I want is you to fuck me.
20 is the new 30. This is Chuck E. Cheese.
Could you bend me over? I kind of like it in the ass.
Hello?
I love disciplined. What's your 20, honey?
This is a payphone outside the high school.
All I want is you to fuck me.
Huh.